All right. 18 cubic yard dumping vehicle with remote control being operated by the driver on the other side. Going up. Smooth and quiet, can't even hear it. Coming down. Quiet as a church mouse. Nice rumble to the engine, sounds perfect. And you can't even hear the hydraulics on the lift for the dump. And there you go, back in place almost. I'm going to take a walk over to the driver. We're going to take a peek at his remote control. Hey driver, let me see your remote control. All right, there you go, all operated with 2 buttons.